Hello! Where have you all been? I miss you. I'm sorry. I took the weekend off last weekend. I had a pretty busy morning, Sunday, and then Saturday too. Actually, today I work too. But I want to do something easy. I have missed everybody. I miss you all. Los extraño a todos. I miss your messages and your comments. But here I am. I have choir practice to go. So I'm going to do something simple, fun, quick. Okay. How's everybody? Tell me, how are you? What are you doing? Where you at? And why you're there? I'm just kidding. So I'm just excited to be around all of you again. Tomorrow I'm going to have another hair tutorial. Mañana voy a tener otro tutorial. Remember that you guys are learning Spanish with me, right? Say sí. Say sí with me. Sí means yes. That's so easy. Come on. You guys got that? It's easy. I know sometimes it gets complicated, but every language is like that. It's not only Spanish, right? Please agree with me, please. All right. So I'm just going to do a bun up here. It's double on the back. So, hi Jenny. How are you? All right. So I'm gonna get some hair in the back, front. Sorry. I was thinking of a braid, but then I just washed my hair. So when it's a little damp in the back or here in the middle, it's not too good for braids because it starts pulling and it hurts. So I don't do it. I try not to do it. So as you see, I'm just going to put it up here very high. Let me bring it to the front. Oh goodness. It's damp in the middle, so there. And now we're just going to do, we're going to use 2 of these to start with. Okay. Let me get more of hair. More of my hair. Okay. I can do different buns, but we're going to just do this one for today. Tomorrow we're going to have something different. Okay. You guys can always comment and say, Cinthia, can you do this one? I want to see how you do it. Okay. So I have my print up here. Always bring it to the front. Remember, this is a tip. You guys, and you bring it to the front. See, it's right in the front. And then we throw it to the back. And I'm going to start pulling. See? I think I got to go higher on the phone. What's going on? And like this. I done hairdo like this too. Let me see. Maybe I have to take it more farther so you guys can see. I don't know. Okay. That's where we at right now. See? This is in the bottom. But it's not going to stay there. Then I have another one. Tengo otra aquí. Vamos a ponerla. We're going to put it up here. And we're going to divide the hair. See how it's looking right now? So, we're going to do this. I don't know. Should I stay front? Go back? Or what? Okay. And like that. See that? That was easy. Can't complain. Right? You got to stay positive. Please. Good vibes. Okay. So, I have it here. And then you can pull. And then we're almost done. Easy. Easy peasy. And then I have this ends over here. I can curl it. I can do this and then hide it. I always go around, like I go like this and then I hide it. See? You hide it, go until it's over. There we go. Okay. And then on the back, we're going to fix it. Okay. We can leave it like that, but we can always, I want to fix it. Okay. So I'm going to bring it higher. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see. I want to make sure you guys can see. Yeah. Yes, you can. Tell me you can see, please. Be nice. Don't leave me hanging here. Okay. See what I'm doing? I'm folding it. And I'm going to bring it to top. You see? This is for thick, long hair. You can always do it if your hair is down your waist or middle of your back. Like if it's right here, you can still do it. You can still do what I do. If your hair is shorter, because it's your nature, right? Nobody is more than anybody else because my hair is shorter, my hair is longer. It don't mean that I'm more important than anybody else. We're all same way in God's eyes. That's our nature. He made us. He made us that way. There's nothing we can do but accept it and be happy of what He have done. Right? Okie doke. Okay, let me read. I'm sorry, I have my glasses. I don't feel younger anymore. That's actually really cute. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for cheering me up. Looks thick and beautiful. Thank you. I know it's thick. I know. It's fun. Okay, so we are done with that part. And then you can always pull down baby hairs however you like your look on the front. You can even pull more. See? Easy. And it looks like that I took more than what I took, right? So I'm gonna hairspray it. This is my hairspray. I actually have two, but when I just want something not too hard, then I use this one. Then when I know it's gonna be a rainy or that I know that I don't want my hair to move nowhere and stay with me, is this one. Okay? So we hairspray. And I'm so excited to be back with you. I'm very excited. I love everybody. And remember, we learned that we use this part to put our hair inside, right? You brush it and then I have baby hairs. Okay. You can always, if you don't like it too straight on the back, then you can always pull here and pull and make a little bumpy back here. But I think it's fine. Sé que está bien. Creo que se mira bien. I think it looks good. Anybody have a question? Please write in your comments if you'd like me to do a certain hairstyle. I'll be more than happy to help you in that. So I hope you guys can have a great evening. Enjoy your family. Enjoy being with your loved ones. Love everybody. Love the Lord with all your heart, soul, and mind. God bless you. Bye.